So I'm going to take you through the setup and unboxing of the Mercusys, I hope I haven't butchered the name, Mercusys Wi-Fi mesh. The plan is to have this connected or placed at points in the house so you can have Wi-Fi regardless of where you are standing or sitting or where the main Wi-Fi router is placed. Also, we need Wi-Fi outside. We don't have Wi-Fi outside, so sometimes you can sit on the balcony and then you don't have any Wi-Fi. So to avoid all that, I bought this, and I bought this off of Amazon UK. I couldn't find it in Amazon US at that time, but I'm sure it will be in the US stores by now. It took me a while to get here, but the reason why I bought this was my Wi-Fi is placed or situated upstairs, and because of that, most of the appliances downstairs are not able to connect to it, or they connect to it and then the signal isn't too strong. I have a Wi-Fi extender, but for some reason the signal isn't that great. So sometimes you have situations where maybe a robot vacuum is going around cleaning the house and it gets to a point where it loses the Wi-Fi connection and then it stops. Or I turn on the TV and YouTube isn't connecting. And the reason why I place the Wi-Fi upstairs is I have my workspace there, and that's where I do most of my gaming and everything. So I needed to have it closer so I can get a better signal upstairs. So hopefully this will solve that problem. Let's unbox this and then see how the setup is like. So open this up. I have the paperwork, comes in the box. I have 3 cubes. Internet cable. So there, 3 AC adapters. This. So I think it's 1 for each. So let's put these back in the box. Take this one out. So 1, 2, 3. So first we have to scan the app. Hopefully I can get to download this and then okay, so okay, let's see how fast this goes. Or you have the languages in, I think it's just the same page in multiple languages. Like this is page 33 and that's still going. Oh, the app is done. Open. Allow. Settings. Turn on. Confirm. Continue. Oh, we have to sign up. Sign up. Next. Create a password. Okay, so you check your mail. You have that here. Okay. Activate. Okay, turn on. Allow. Complete. Okay, let's begin. So I have the halo. I've already given permission. We have this, and Ethernet cable. So that's what the app is asking for. So we have these. Go to the next. Oh, power off your modem and remove the backup battery. If that's one, disconnect your old router from the modem before moving on. Okay, so it means I have to disconnect my main internet and then figure out the next step. So let me do that and then get back to you. This is where my modem is. It says power off the modem. So the modem has been powered off. As you can see, there are no lights on here. It's a bit hot up here, but let's connect this. Connect this to the wall sockets. We turn both of them on. The Mercusys is on, and the Wi-Fi is also on. So okay, it's not stable yet. We'll wait for a while. Yep. It's now stable. So it's currently looking for the halo. Yes, connected. Okay. So we have the halo with the white lights now. We have no blue lights yet. So we have the blue light now. Yeah. So we go into the app. Yep. It's pulsing blue. I'm going to place this. So this one, the last one, it is in the living room and optimizing the network. Complete. So I'm done for now. As you can see, my phone is still trying to connect to the upstairs node. I don't know why the kitchen says offline, because I turned it on a while ago, but we are figuring this out together. So I guess some of the stuff that comes with it. Let me connect to the living room and then see if that will work best. Okay, connected to the living room now. Let me check fast.com. Oh, yeah. I mean, it's not the best, but this is the first time I'm actually getting this amount of speed downstairs since I got my Wi-Fi. So I think this is positive. I need to just figure out how everything works, find good positions for them, and then we'll be fine. As you can see, it's saying the kitchen signal is still weak. So I'm going to move it around the house to make sure I find a good position for it. But I think all the devices are connected to the main internet. I'm not left to like play around with it a little to find a sweet spot for it. But apart from that, I think everything should be fine. Okay, the speed is now coming up a little, but I'll just move them around the house to make sure all the nodes are in the right position, and then we'll have good internet hopefully. But yeah, I hope this video was helpful. Thanks. Don't forget to leave a comment if you have any, and catch you guys on the next one. Love you all.